Curious about what you could do with a home equity line of credit? Here's your guide. Home equity is the difference between the value of your home and the balance of your mortgage. That amount can be used as collateral when applying for a loan, like a home equity line of credit or HELOC. A HELOC is a revolving line of credit backed by the equity in your home that you can draw from whenever you need extra cash. Florida Credit Union HELOCs are set up as 10-year terms with a 10-year draw period. At the end of the draw period, you have an additional 10 years to finish paying it off. If a HELOC sounds like a good option for you, here are 3 common uses for them. A debt consolidation HELOC allows you to roll multiple debts into a single line of credit, reducing your monthly payment amount. This can make it easier to manage your debt as well as potentially save on interest. A home improvement HELOC can help you cover the cost of home repairs or renovations, such as fixing your roof or redoing your kitchen. As a bonus, completing these projects can potentially increase the value of your home. Finally, you can use a HELOC to pay for a major purchase such as a car or school tuition. HELOC interest rates can often be lower than other loan rates because they're secured by the equity of your home. Ready to apply for your HELOC? Head over to flcu.org, call, or visit a branch in person. Florida Credit Union. Member owned, community proud since 1954.